Imagine leaving home for work only to end up fighting for your life in a hospital. That is the reality for a 32-year-old Bengaluru woman who suffered life-threatening injuries while traveling on a Rapido bike taxi is demanding accountability from the ride-hailing platform after a near-fatal road accident left her hospitalized. The victim, Sani Krishna, an interior designer, was traveling from her residence in Bairisandra near Bagmani Tech Park to her office in Bengaluru on June 17. She had booked a Rapido bike taxi and had also activated the women's safety feature. According to the FIR, the Rapido rider Ashish Bagh was allegedly speeding and riding recklessly while the scooter collided with a tractor that was also reportedly being driven negligently. The impact threw Sani onto the road and the tractor's right wheel allegedly ran over her face and body. Sani Krishna suffered severe facial injuries, 7 fractured ribs, a collapsed lung, a grade 4 splenic laceration, a broken shoulder and multiple internal injuries. After receiving initial treatment in Bengaluru, she was shifted to a hospital in Kozhikode, Kerala as medical expenses crossed 20 lakh rupees. Doctors say she may require a 10-hour rib reconstruction surgery. Police have registered a case against both the Rapido rider and a tractor driver, and the investigation is underway. In response, Rapido said it was deeply saddened by the incident. The company stated that its team contacted the family immediately, visited Sani in the hospital, and helped initiate the insurance claim process with its insurance partner. Rapido added that it remains in close contact with the family, that Sani's well-being and recovery are its priority, and that it will continue to extend all possible support. Meanwhile, Sani's family and her friend have alleged that Rapido failed to provide adequate support after the incident. They claimed the company closed the complaint while she was still in hospital and later stated that it could not be held responsible because it had no control over how riders operated their vehicles. Although Rapido informed the family about accident insurance of up to 5 lakh rupees, including 1 lakh rupees towards medical expenses, the family says they have not received any reimbursement. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.